Having trouble with uneven top and bottom threads? This video will solve it completely. During sewing, many people face issues with thread imbalance. I've posted a video on this before, but many people still ask how to fix uneven top and bottom threads, so today I'm making another video. First, sew a test line. Observe the stitching on the fabric. The top thread is pink. The bottom thread is green. If balanced, both threads blend together. When sewing thin fabric, you can see the bottom thread through the needle hole. The bottom thread is clearly visible. You can also see the top thread from underneath. This is also a balanced tension. For thick fabrics, the threads lock inside the fabric layers. You can't see threads from either side. If the top looks neat, but the bottom is messy, it means the top thread is too loose. If the bottom is fine but the top is messy, then the top thread is too tight. We need to identify which thread is tight and which is loose. Once identified, adjust accordingly. Loosen tight thread, tighten loose thread. Best practice is to adjust the bobbin thread first. Once the bobbin tension is set, then adjust the top thread. Adjust the bobbin using the big screw on the case. Turn clockwise to tighten. Turn counterclockwise to loosen. Adjust until there's moderate resistance when pulling. Then adjust the top thread based on the bobbin. Adjust the top thread using the tension dial. Turn clockwise to tighten the top thread. Turn counterclockwise to loosen the top thread. When both threads pull with equal tension, at that point, the top and bottom threads will be balanced. That's the ideal setting. There are two cases where tightening the dial doesn't help. Even when fully tightened, thread is messy. The first cause is a dirty tension disc. Dirt reduces the pressing force. You need to clean the tension disc. Then tighten it again. Only then will it grip properly, which helps tighten the top thread. Another case is the dial is too far inside. When the presser foot is down, thread feels tight when pulled, but slightly lifting the foot makes it loose. This causes thread mess on thick fabrics. Even turning the screw more won't help. In this case, loosen the screw holding the dial. Pull the dial out slightly, then tighten it again. That's how to adjust thread tension on a sewing machine. Do you understand now? If yes, comment number 1 below. Let's see how many people this helps. Remember to like and follow to learn more useful sewing tips. See you in the next video.